Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning this. And white's pawns are going forward in this direction and white is down 3 points of material as black has 2 minor pieces. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move under the consideration of this check. Right, our king is under attack right now, meaning we have to move or do something to just make this check rid of. So with that in mind, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here we do have options, right? We do have 3 options with a king and 2 options with a queen. That looks totally down. So let's look at the moves. So the most obvious move would be king to a6. That makes black retreat from the check and prepare a checkmate on b7. As the bishop is pinned by the queen, the bishop now can't actually capture the a7 pawn. So this is going to be checkmate. But the move king to a6 is not the correct move, because black would just play queen to e2. And now, if you had a chance to see that, we have to move the king back, right? And here black would just play queen to e5, and you may just play to a6, but black would just move back and forth and you can't do anything, right? You can't make a progress. If you get down, black would just get a closer to you, and if you just get up, black would just move, and this is going to be just a perpetual check. And as I told you, black has 2 minor pieces, meaning if you just go away from this path, black would just use the knight, another attacker, and it will stop you from checkmating the enemy king. So for that reason, here in the beginning, moving the king to a6 results in a draw. What about moving the king toward this direction? Well, that is going to be just a similar situation, as black can play queen to d1 and it's a check. So we have to move the king again, and this time black will just move and we can't even make any progress, right? So this is the idea, and moving the queen, it doesn't matter where we move downward, the direction doesn't solve the problem, meaning we have to move another piece. Looks like we have to move the queen. The dumbest looking 2 moves, only one of them work, and that is queen to g5. So let me show you why queen to d5 doesn't work first. So if we just played that, black will just capture the queen and give us a check. We have to move, and black will just give us this check, and this time we are the one who is losing, right? Black will just move and we can't make any progress. Black will just move the king to b7, and sadly we are absolutely losing this. So that is the idea. What would happen if we just played queen to d5? But we have to play queen to g5 and block the check. What makes this move different? Well, after the queen captures, we are going to play king to a6. Only now we play king to a6, and if you had a chance to see that, black now in this position can't give us a check, right? So the queen can't give us a check, and this is going to be just checkmate. Meaning if black ignores that, this is going to be just checkmate, and black king can't save itself. So for that reason, black must do something, right? So what if black plays queen to e7 or queen to g7? It doesn't matter. The idea is just to defend the checkmate. Well, we simply played the move, and after black queen captures that, this is going to be just another checkmate. And if here in this position, some of you might say, what if black captures the pawn like this? So what do we do? Here we don't capture back. This is going to be just a losing after all of this, right? So we are going to lose the game like this. Instead, we are going to push this pawn. And if you had a chance to see that the king can't move, black has no checks, and we are threatening checkmate. The king can't move and defend that. Black can't play this move because this is another just checkmate. This another checkmate, and black is just cooked. And this is the best move, by the way, in this position, to just delay the checkmate, right? So this is going to be the move, but anyway, even a rook can deliver checkmate in this position. So that is what we are going to do if black captures this. So what else can black do in this position? Well, here in this position, the answer is no, and black can play anything, literally can move any piece, and black has so much options like 35 and plus, but black can't actually save this position, right? So the best move is in this position to capture the pawn. We push c7, and here if black captures, we push, and even a rook can deliver a checkmate. And black's best move in this position is to sacrifice the queen to delay the checkmate, but anyway, we are going to deliver checkmate anyway. So for this is the idea, and this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, congratulations. For recap, first we are going to block the check with queen to g5. So this is the idea is actually to make the queen on g5, the enemy queen. That way, when we play to king to c6, black wouldn't get any check. That means this is going to be a big threat and unstoppable threat that black can't actually totally stop that. So for some of you wondering, what if black didn't accept the sacrifice? What else can black do if black didn't accept the sacrifice? Because black can't play anywhere. Like this move looks nice, but we have absolutely a million ways to win this. The easiest one is to just capture here, make a queen. Black is forced to capture that. We just give this check, and this is just checkmate. And we have this checkmate also, and we do have another million checkmates, right? So I'm just exaggerating, but we do have so many checkmates, and that would be just easy for us if black didn't decided to accept the sacrifice. So this is the idea. So black must accept the sacrifice here in this position. We move to a6, and black's best move is to just delay the checkmate by playing queen to a5. We capture the queen, and here this is the best move. So black would just play that, and we just move, we just push c7, and after all of this, if black decided to move, we can make a new queen, right? We don't fear any stalemate because of this knight. So for that reason, here this is the best move, I think. So yeah, this is going to be the solution of the puzzle. So if you found this video entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel. I'll upload chess puzzle videos like this every day, so make sure to watch them as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye.